When severe weather is heading our way, we're on it. But long before a storm is on the horizon, we're working to make sure you have reliable power. Our crews work year-round to trim vegetation and strengthen our system. When a storm is coming, we track multiple forecasts and prepare to address any damage it may bring. Crews are pre-positioned, workers activate emergency plans, and the equipment and supplies that will be needed are put in place. All our employees have a storm role and prepare to be on duty for the duration of the storm and its aftermath. And we begin storm safety preparedness communications with customers, municipal and state officials. We use many sources to gather information during the storm. Our electrical system control center can not only estimate the size of some outages, but restore many within minutes. We use this to create an initial picture of the scope of damage. We also rely on customers to report outages through our app, our website, by phone, or by text. Weather conditions can delay getting our crews and equipment to the site of the problem. We work to restore your power as quickly and safely as possible. As we put our storm response plans into action, we coordinate with local officials and organizations. First, our team works to address public safety concerns like blocked roads and downed wires. As soon as it's safe, our damage assessment teams head out to evaluate trouble spots. Often, it's these trucks you'll see first. While our damage assessors don't make repairs, they help speed our restoration efforts by reporting back on how many crews and what materials are needed to make repairs. And then we go to work on our largest outages impacting the highest number of customers. We also monitor critical facilities like hospitals and police and fire stations. As our work proceeds, we can share estimated restoration times. We then address outages that are impacting smaller numbers of our customers. An outage impacting just a few of our customers can involve extensive damage that takes time to repair, such as a broken pole, downed wires, or a damaged transformer. At Eversource, we work day and night until your power is back on.